Oh, wait.
You're hitting your ricochet.
It has a snapback now.
Nice.
What? You just like executed him, bro. That was my boy. That's the back of my gun. That's holding it. Oh, I would. Doo, 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 doo. It's a little kid. His gun's not reaching.
Feel that summer breeze?
Just move from my toes to my fingers.
Exactly.
How does this happen? Nothing happened, and this dude with the pistol came out of nowhere and just shot me in the shoulder. Ah! Oil. The one with the big sign.
That says Pennzoil.
Yeah, that one. My fingers are cold, guys. I can't stress that enough. Right, guys, so this is my my sickest move. Ha! Just kidding. Dude, my hand.
Can't feel my finger.
Nope. Oh! No! What do I?
Sucks.
What do I do? Ah!
Was a dream, more money, more the bread we could toast. So was a kid with the other little cats. Tell mommy I'm so never growing up. Can I please don't love college? So you are fat line as the piranha and fly to where you at per lady. What the kids for? I say my could catch me on a big tour. Get with you, don't let the kid. The rule is, hey, yo, I once was a kid and I'm a pal it up. Now everybody get their style, yo, up shows and the fans go. This life is a party. The dream